Hey folks, today I want to show you how to upgrade your Ubuntu from almost any version to the 24.04. I'll show you the most advanced way because most likely when it's released you will see just pop up upgrade to the latest LTS version, and you just follow the wizard and that will be it. But just in case, if you are upgrading from a non-LTS version or from or in the future you will want to upgrade to a non-LTS version, this guide will teach you how to do that. So basically you can jump from any branch to any branch, or in other words saying from any version of Ubuntu to another version of Ubuntu. Also, as a bonus, we will upgrade kernel to the latest release candidate 9.2 release 2, release candidate 2. So yeah, it's not recommended because it's just release candidate, but for some of you it might be helpful, because from comments on my own website I saw that it helped people fix some issues with bugs like with Bluetooth, sound card, video card, or something like that. But without further ado, let's jump into the guide and let's see how to do that. So I'm logging into my virtual machine, which is running Ubuntu 22.04, which is current latest version, I mean LTS version, and we will be upgrading it to the 24.04, which will be released in a couple of weeks. And I'll guide you through how to do that. I have a previous guide which covers way more variants. It's posted on my second channel, where I mostly cover stocks, investing, and all that stuff. But now I decided to split the audience and like post more technical stuff to the separate channel, and whatever is related to investing to my main channel. But let's get back to the topic. So I won't be going through all the possible variants. As I said, if you are going to upgrade from Ubuntu 16 or 18 or just previous versions, or maybe you are not using LTS and now is going to upgrade to the LTS version, I really recommend you to watch that video where I cover all nuances, and that one I plan to make shorter, so I'll be just jumping from the LTS to LTS. In a couple of weeks you will see a way simpler way. You will just see like a pop-up or something like that, which will suggest you to upgrade to the latest LTS version. But if you are eager to upgrade right now and don't want to wait, or have any other reasons and you want to upgrade right now, you have to do it using kind of a custom way. So because it's currently on in development, so you have to specify development branch to upgrade to, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's go. First of all, as you usually do, we need to run apt-get update and upgrade. That's what I would do. Okay, upgrade completed, and now we have two options. One is to go and manually edit the file or use just set command. But before running set command, I'll just go to that file, open it, and show you what's inside, so you have understanding of what you are doing. And the file we need is located in etc apt sources.list. So let me navigate there. And here, as you can see, we currently on Jami kind of version of Ubuntu. This is a code name of 22.04, and we will need to change it to 24.04. And the code name for the 24.04 is Noble. So that's what I would do using set command instead of going through and manually changing all this stuff. I will reopen this file once I run the set command, and then show you how did it change. So. And now you see, instead of Jamie, you see Noble everywhere. So that's the purpose of the command. And as we change it, the sources we will be using for upgrade, now it's time to run again apt-get update and apt-get upgrade. So let's do that. And technically, actually, you can skip the apt-get upgrade because apt-get dist upgrade is doing regular upgrade as well. So that's, I think, what I would do. So now we have a few questions that we have to answer in order to upgrade to the latest Ubuntu. And now the installer is asking me about my configuration type, and I would probably just choose no configuration. So let's do that. And the second question is, do I want to restart all services that is required by installer automatically without asking? So I would say yes, as I don't want to confirm each restart manually every time. And now I got a question about configuration changes in etc firewall update or vvupt.conf, and I just accept default version, which is no, and let's go. So now, as you can see, upgrade is completed, and now I need to apt-get after remove and apt-get clean. So let's do that. And now it's time to reboot. Okay, I am in. And now, as you can see, we are on latest Ubuntu, which is welcome to Ubuntu Noble Numbered Development Branch. So that's what we wanted. And we can confirm this by running the lsb release -a. So let's run. I'm not sure if I need sudo, but let's try without. So lsb underscore release -a. And yeah, you see release is 2404, which we wanted. And now let's check the kernel version. For this, we need to run uname -r. -r, but I know that there are a newer version, and to do so, to upgrade it to the newer version, let's go to my own website, and where I constantly update the article about latest Ubuntu, how to upgrade to the Ubuntu. Actually, the link to the article will be under the video, and usually in the article I have a like embedded player for YouTube, so you can like read it or watch the video. But let's go there. Usually it's under the DevOps section and one of the top ones. So here is my previous version of the article. So once this video is finished and processed, I will update the article and embed the newer version of the video. So let's just scroll down to the end, and here is the section how to upgrade kernel. There are two ways how to do that. One is to add like a separate PPA from which you can upgrade just running the command sudo apt install mainline, or you just can download the packages and install them manually. From the security standpoint, some people wouldn't like to add some separate repository source and just do this manually. And this is what I'm going to do because I'm all in for security, but that's just up to you because it's kind of harder way. So I want to show you how to do that. And this one is just 3 commands. And in order to do so, I need to switch to the TMP. So let's do that, because I don't want to store these files somewhere in the file system. Anyway, I don't need them. After reboot, they might be purged at some time. So once I'm there, I need to grab the latest files. So currently is 6.9 release candidate 2. Let me make a disclaimer. I don't really recommend you to upgrade to the release candidate version of the kernel because it might break your computer or introduce some troubles. So It's only for testing purposes, just to demonstrate you how to upgrade to the latest version of the kernel. If you go down to command section and click load comments, there will be some comments when people say that upgrading to the latest kernel fixes some issues with their hardware because they were on the stable version of the kernel, but something didn't work, like Bluetooth or some graphic drivers or sound or whatever. Like, you have two options. Currently, as I showed you here, we are all on 6.8.0 version, and current stable one is 6.8.4. So we can upgrade to that one and then upgrade to the 6.9. But as anyway I'm on 6.8 branch, I won't be doing this. It's pretty straightforward. It will be just like a patch version upgrade, and I will show you how to upgrade to the 6.9. So let's do that. Let me just copy paste all these lines and paste here. So all 4 files will be downloaded. And finally, you just need to run sudo dpkg-i, then *dep, which means just install all the packages that you find in this repository, in this folder. And now new kernel is installing. Once we install the new kernel, as you can see from my guide, we need to reboot the machine or PC or laptop, whatever we use, and then we will just double check that nothing is missing, or maybe there are some dependencies and we had to reboot the machine before we run apt-get, update, and upgrade once again. So that's why I generally recommend to reboot the machine and then rerun these commands. If there will be anything missing or pending reboot or whatever, you can do the reboot once again and then check your distro and then kernel version. That's what we do next. So yeah, as you can see, the kernel installed while I was talking to you, and now I do this sudo reboot. Yeah, I'm in, so just let's run the command. So I will be lazy, so I'll just copy paste from my own article. Okay, and now do the same for upgrade. Yep, nothing to do. And finally, let's see if it remembers the previous commands I ran before. Yeah, it's here. So LSB release A, it's still the same, 2404, and that one for uname -r. I can technically type it, but just let's see. Yep, as you can see, we are on 6.9 release candidate 2 generic kernel type. And this concludes the whole guide, how to upgrade your Ubuntu from whatever version you have to the latest, greatest 2404 and current mainline version of kernel, which is 6.9 release candidate 2. I hope that guide was helpful. If yes, please like, subscribe, leave any comments, and have a nice day. See you guys next time. Ciao.